Welcome to Samoa one-on-one mackerel fry.
One-on-one?
Yeah.
This today, Ceka got this fish today.
She was diving in the water.
She was
With her net.
with her net. She swam into the Pacific Ocean this morning.
That's PILIKAKI.
That's Ceka, aka 24-inch master.
24-inch master.
Lady Pink, and this is Parachuta.
Tuna and 2 fish asleep.
Oh. We're gonna need. Oh, give me some seasoning salt.
Seasoning salt. There is none.
That garlic salt right there?
Excuse me. It's right here.
Oh, Ceka, lava malo.
Ole fala yele ta.
Too much?
Yele wa punga lalo le. Wea so. Kala ni fire mo.
Yeah, that's fire. They want to
Joe, you just.
You know la le
Follow.
pa le pa ngala le ai ko ya. Ngi ti wa punga lalo.
You're not going home after all.
Nah. Might as well wait. I didn't wait. Yeah, I've been waiting for so long. Might as well just wait. Might as well go home.
Here goes the Samoan way to clean up oil.
I was gonna clean it for you.
Oh, you are? Here you go.
Oh, okay.
No, I might as well do it because. Come on, Reese. Alright. I'm gonna use both pans.
Go ahead.
Can you